Hello everybody, my name is Jared Monk. I'm the staff writer here at Nadernejad Media, and I'm here to share with you my process writing articles that are specifically tailored to helping you with your online reputation. The first thing I like to do is to get to know you. Usually we do this by conducting a 20-minute interview where we talk about all the positive things about you. So, Phoebe, tell me again how you used to volunteer with an animal shelter. Next, we transcribe the audio from the interview through an online software called Otter AI. This site allows us to create almost perfect transcriptions to ensure that no detail is missed during the writing process. Then I sit down and start writing. My typical day consists of me writing 5 500-word articles, each one crafted to highlight a uniquely positive thing about you. And then once I'm done with that, I send it off to be edited by our very own Danielle Minja. How's it looking, Danielle?
Looks great. I think we're ready to publish.
Fantastic. Once the articles are ready, they are sent off to publishers around the world, depending on where you're coming to us from. We guarantee that in just a short period of time, you'll start to see your negative content that you want buried start to be replaced by the positive content that we've written for you. This, of course, isn't the only way that we help out with your online reputation. There's a lot of other stuff we do, but we'll talk about that in a different video. In the meantime, please visit our website, nadernejadmedia.com, and book your free 30-minute consultation and begin putting your online reputation into a more positive light.